If you're experiencing some issues hardwiring, here are some troubleshooting tips. If the camera goes into parking mode while the ignition is on, the ACC wire is not receiving power. Check if your ACC wire is crimped properly and make sure that it is inserted into an accessory fuse slot. If the camera does not turn on at all, the battery wire is not receiving power. Check if your battery wire is crimped properly and make sure that it is inserted into a constant fuse slot. If the camera beeps and turns off while you turn off your ignition, parking mode is not turned on. Check to make sure that parking mode is enabled in your dashcam settings. If your camera does not change to parking mode while the ignition is off, the ACC wire is still receiving power. Try another accessory fuse slot. If you have any questions about hardwiring your dashcam, give our support team a call or send them an email and they'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching our video. For more THINKWARE tutorials, unboxing, and information, subscribe below.